What's up, I'm Rudy, and today I'm going to teach you how to create patient form with RTM Form Builder. But first of all, you need to install RTMKit and RTM Form Builder. You can go to your plugin and add plugin and search RTMKit, and you'll find RTM Form Builder and RTMKit. And you can create page and edit with Elementor, and after that you create flexbox and add element and drag and drop RTM form and edit form and new form. You can create name of form patient, scroll down, and for confirmation you need to check the patient, and you can put your email in here. Put your email and later just copy paste it. And your email in here, and thank you, and notification as well. You need to check here patient also. Here notification, email form and email too, and thank you as well. And after that you just need to save and edit. You will go to another screen that gonna edit with Elementor as well, and it will show the widget for the RTM Form Builder, and in there we can edit it one by one, or you just can create it with template that already give by RTMKit. Like this one, you have this one widget, and but we can go to here, this icon, wireframe, and you need to go down form and patient form, import it. You will import it inside the entire template, like this one by one. Here there is a question with two grid, the date for the dental, last dental visit, accommodate, then number. Here you can edit it. Edit the label with which one that you want, and the option yes or no. You can edit it. Same like this one. Edit label, because you put date in here, and down the same date. This is text. Here you can edit label, and here you can edit it here, sample text. And after that you can save and close. here. For the record, you can find it in, you can go to RTMKit and go to Theme Builder, and after go to the Theme Builder, you can go to Form, and you'll find patient here, and export to CSV. Here's the entries that you can download it, and here's the number, how much entry that already fill in. So thank you. If you want RTM Form Builder, you can just download it for your website